What's up guys, my name is Abbas and welcome to Master Coding channel. In this tutorial we are going to continue the Android Jetpack course and we will dive into the part 5 of a note-taking app using Room and database, and this video we will learn about adapters. So why we would use adapters and what is their functionality and how they will work and arrange and set to display the items in a list view or a recycler view and all notes in the main activity. So if this is your first time here on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. We are creating these tutorials based on your requests, so feel free to comment below if you have any questions or any tutorials you need us to make, or just to say thanks. So let's begin. Start making adapters class and see how they will connect with our recycler view and display the items. So inside our Android Studio, we are going to create a new folder called, new package called adapters. So click enter and I will create a new Java class called notes adapter. Okay, so I just recalling you that if you want to learn about recycler views or card views, please go back to our the complete Android developer course and go to a video called recycler view and card view, or walk through our channel and you will find the complete course about recycler view and card views. Now I will extend this class by using the recycler view, and here, because I didn't import the recycler view package, I'm missing the recycler view.adapter extension. So in order to do that, I'm going to the main activity and I'm going to the layouts. You can add the dependency here and Java in Gradle scripts here, or you can do this in order not to be confused by Gradle and not confused by the libraries. So if you want to add recycler view dependency, just go to the layout and click this the download the button and click OK and wait the Android Studio to download this library. I prefer coding is using the simple ways to return the results or get the goal. So I'm now going to add the card view also in the same way. Card view and OK. So Android Studio will add the Gradle, the latest Gradle here. So you can write these library codes implementation, or you can do as I did in the last couple of minutes. Now, because of that, because we have added the dependency, we can now add the recycler view, extend the recycler view dot adapter, and we are going to notes adapter. We're going to create a notes adapter here, being holder. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just telling the Android Studio that I need like an adapter of the list, note lists, and some classes we are going to create in next minutes. So now the variables is list of type note. We are using the class note and saying this is the list. Private context, we need the context, and private layout inflator, and private on note item click, So this is the interface we are going to add later on. Now, first of all, we are going to create, don't worry for the errors. As I told you, we are going through this video to create these implementations, these classes and these interfaces. So first of all, we are going to create a constructor public, or you can alt plus insert, and I'm going to use the note and the context. Okay, so everything is working fine till now. We need just to pass a layout inflator and layout inflator dot from context. So this is good, and just one not item click equal on note item click. So we are going to create it in next minute. I will create here an interface public interface on note item click, and I will pass void method on note click, taking parameters position and position. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm adding an adapter, creating the adapter, and some variables, creating the constructor and interface for clicking. Now, back to our codes. We are going to create. We are going to override the bean holder method on create view. Okay, on create view bean holder, removing this, and we are going to create the bean holder later on. Until now, we need the view group as parent argument and int view type. So view in order to learn more about on create view holder and holder classes, please refer to the card view videos inside our channel to be master in card views and in recycler views. So inflate r.layout dot note list item. So I'm going to create a new layout called note list item. Just follow me to complete this codes and return new bean holder and passing the view. So we have to create the bean holder and create the note list item layout. So resources layout, creating a new layout resource file, and I will name it as note list item. This item will take will show the user how to or the item of the card view or the note will be. In the sake of making the code faster, I will paste the layout. I will paste the layout, and here the card view. I'm using because I'm here getting the error because I'm using the Android X. Android X. I can use Android X dot card view, and here we go. We can now get the content now here. Okay, guys. So in order to make the coding faster, I put it in a copy and paste method. So just making the code here, the text view would be like bold, text style, bold, and like 18 dp or 20. I prefer 20, and the content would be the same. Okay, and the linear layout, the image view, they are inside the image view. We can put whatever you need, the color of them. I would take this, and you can edit as you want. So you can see the code here. Is the code. This is a card view containing a linear layout, and the linear layout containing two text views. You can pause the video and copy and paste these codes, or you can download the source code from Master Android Pro applications on Play Store. Now, back to our Java classes, or you can download the source code from the description below. So don't miss to like and subscribe to get the latest tutorials and latest source codes. Now, we are going to add an combined view holder method. This is the most important method used. So holder dot text view title. Okay, because there is an error, I'm going to create the bean holder class in order to make the coding faster. So public, I will create a new class, public class bean holder extends the recycler view dot view holder and implements the view dot on click listener. So implement the methods and construct matching class and adding the variables or the widgets, text view content. This is the text view content, and the text view title. This is the title of our node. So guys, don't be confused. This is the bean holder. This is the bind view holder. This is on create view holder, and this is the interface on click, and this is the constructor, and these are our variables to be used. Don't be confused. It's very simple. As I told you, please refer to card view and recycler view in the complete Android developer course, so you don't miss anything about card views or recycler views. Now, adding click listener, this text view content equal item view dot find view by id r dot id dot item text view title equal item view dot find view by id r dot id dot tv title text view title. Okay, we have added the on-click method here. Now just assigning it to the interface on node item click dot on node click get adapter position, and here we go. This is the correct method. So this is the class, this is the bean holder class, this is the view holder. Okay, and back to the bean view holder, just like defining the text views and other widgets dot set text list dot get position get title. Okay, everything is good. Holder dot text view content dot set text list dot get position dot get content. In this way, we have finished creating the on-bank view holder. Just one last step. We need to override the get item count method and return the size, the list dot size. We are returning the size of our list. Okay, guys. Just a recap, fast recap. We have created the variables, we have created the constructor, we have created the on-click interface, then we have created the on view holder, on create view holder, on bind view holder, on get item count, and last the thing is which is very important, the holder class, which is called bean holder class, that extends the recycler view and implements the view of on-click listener interface. Guys, it's very important to know every step and anchor the knowledge by practice. So open your Android Studio, open your PC, write down some notes, practice, write the codes, pause the videos, write the codes and start again. Try with yourself. I recommend using this way in order to succeed and be a very good developer. Thank you guys. I hope you subscribe and comment below on our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos coming up in the next couple of days. Thank you guys.